In the previous video, we have learned about question number 1 and question number 2. In this video, we will continue with question number 3 and question number 4. Now let us begin with question number 3, parallelogram HEAR, where HE is equal to 5 cm, EA is equal to 6 cm, angle R is equal to 85 degree. As we have studied that in parallelogram, opposite sides are of equal length. So, HE is equal to 5 cm. Therefore, AR will also be equal to 5 cm. And as EA is equal to 6 cm, HR will also be equal to 6 cm. Now, angle R is equal to 85 degree. Therefore, angle H is equal to 180 minus 85, which will be 95 degree. So, angle H will be of 95 degree and angle R will be of 85 degree. Again, opposite angles will be of equal measure. So, angle R is of 85 degree, then angle E will also be of 85 degree. Now let us begin. First of all, we will draw a line segment HE is equal to 5 cm. HE is equal to 5 cm. Now we will write first step. Draw a line segment HE is equal to 5 cm. Now we will draw HX with center H of 95 degree with the help of protractor. Over here we will place the protractor and 90 will be in between 90 and 100. So this will be 95. Now with the help of scale, we will joint this. We will mark this line as X. Now we will write next point, that is at H, draw HX such that angle RHE is equal to 95 degree. Now with H as a center and radius 6 cm, we will draw an arc on the line HX intersecting this at point P. So we will take radius of 6 cm. Now with P as a center, we will draw an arc over here. This point will be point P. Next step, with H as a center and radius 6 cm, draw an arc intersecting HX at P. This will be of 95 degree. Now at E, we will draw EY. At angle E, we will draw EY such that angle E is equal to 85 degree with the help of protractor. So we will put the center at point E and 80 will be in between 80 to 90. So we will mark a point over here. Then we will draw a line which intersect this line will be line Y. Next point, at E, draw EY such that angle HEY is equal to 85 degree. Now, with E as a center and radius 6 centimeter, we will draw an arc intersecting EY at point A. So, we will take radius 6 centimeter E as a center, we will draw an arc, and this point will be point A. Now we will write next step. With E as a center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting EY at A. Now we will draw AR. It means we have to close this quadrilateral. Now this will be of 95 degree, this will be of 85 degree, EA will be of 6 centimeter, HR will be of 6 centimeter. Now we will write next step, that is draw AR. Thus HEAR is required parallelogram. So this is question number 3. Now question number 4, rectangle OKAY. OK is equal to 7 centimeter and KA is equal to 5 centimeter. We all know that in rectangle opposite sides are of equal length. It means if OK is of 7 centimeter, then AY will be of 7 centimeter. And if KA is of 5 centimeter, then OY will be of 5 centimeter. Moreover, we know that all the angles of rectangles are right angle triangle. So first of all, we will draw a line segment OK is equal to 7 centimeter. OK and 7 centimeter. So we will write first step. Draw a line segment OK is equal to 7 centimeter. Now with O as a center, we will draw OM such that angle MOK is equal to 90 degree. So with the help of rounder, we will draw with any radius, we will draw an arc intersecting OK. Now, with this intersecting point, we will draw another arc. This is the angle of 60 degree. With this intersecting point, we will draw another arc. This is the angle of 120 degree. Now, with this arc, we will draw another arc, and with this arc, we will join both the arcs. This is angle of 90 degree. Similarly, we will do with center K. We will draw an arc. Now, with this intersecting point, it will be of 60 degree. And with this intersecting point, it will be of 90 degree. Now, with this intersecting point and this intersecting point, we will draw two arcs which will intersect each other at angle of 90 degree. Now, we will draw two lines . This will be line M and this will be line N. Now we will write steps. At O, draw OM such that angle MOK is equal to 90 degree. With O as a center, and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting OM at Y. So, we will take radius of 5 centimeter and with O as a center, we will draw arc. This point will be Y. Similarly, we have drawn this, so we will write steps for that. At K, draw KN such that angle AKO is equal to 90 degree. Now, with K as a center and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting KN at A. Now, we will take a radius of 5 centimeter and with K as a center, we will draw another arc. This will be point A. Now, next step, draw line segment AY. So, we will join this. Next step, thus OKAY is required rectangle. So this is question number 4.